As technologies continue to develop, networks are becoming ubiquitous. People rely on networks for a wide range of activities such as video conferencing, online gaming, and remote working. In the 5G and cloud era, many new services are emerging in scenarios such as B2B, B2C, MBB, giving rise to a rapid increase in the traffic volume. These new services have very different requirements on network latency, bandwidth, and reliability. Some traditional service awareness technologies exist, but they have certain defects. For example, ACL or PBR technology is used to check 5-tuple information but cannot achieve fine-grained application awareness. As a result, networks cannot fully meet the SLA requirements of applications. Huawei innovatively proposes the Application-aware IPv6 Networking (APN6) solution. With the native programmability of IPv6 (SRv6) headers, this solution encapsulates application characteristics and SLA requirements into these packet headers, enabling networks to be aware of applications and their SLA requirements. According to the application information carried in packet headers, the SRv6 head directly steers application traffic to an SRv6 explicit path that can be computed by iMaster NCE and meets the SLA requirements of the application. In addition, APN6 can use Huawei iFIT technology to detect the service quality of VIP applications and dynamically adjust the forwarding paths of high-priority services to ensure the optimal SLA in real time. APN6 supports application-aware VAS and FSC, so that application traffic can be steered to FSCs based on application IDs, and policies can be executed on VARS nodes for different applications. APN6 enables networks to be aware of applications in native IP mode, meeting the differentiated SLA requirements of applications in different access scenarios such as B2B, B2C, and MBB in the 5G and cloud era. APN6 effectively improves user experience, bringing new revenues for carriers.
Now we demonstrate APN6, including its 4 features. This is the first feature, Application-aware SRv6 path steering for SLA guarantee. Here is the dashboard for APN6 demonstration. It provides 6 parts. Link delay, path view, application ID, end-to-end latency of each path, network topology, number of packet loss, path change record. Here shows the live video streaming is delivered from server to the client. There are 2 applications, VLC and FTP. They are transferred on the path on the top. Now we show Application-aware SFC. We use Linux IP table as the VAS firewall, and we create a rule that matches the live streaming with application ID. Now let's take the live streaming to the VAS firewall, which is attached to the R3. Now we see the end-to-end latency is increased a bit and the path is changed. But the viewing experience keeps well. We can see that data is coming in and out of the server, which shows the video is being streamed. Now let's take the live stream back to the path on the top. Now we can see the latency is recovered and the path is changed. But the video is still being streamed. Now it's about application-aware iFIT. We emulate a degradation of quality on link R2 to R4. We use Linux traffic control function to emulate the degradation. We introduce delay time and packet loss rate. We use iFIT to keep monitoring the performance in real time. Here we show the end-to-end latency is increased, and the viewing experience becomes worse, and the number of packet loss is increased. Now we show the dynamic SRv6 path adjustment optimization. Once iFIT detects the performance degradation, it will adjust the VIP flow to the path with better performance. Now we can see the end-to-end latency is improved, and the viewing experience is recovered. Now let's clear the emulated degradation. Now we can see end-to-end latency is improved. This is the visualization. Now let's get the live stream back to the path on the top. And we can see the path has been changed and latency is recovered, and the video experience keeps well. Now we have finished the demonstration of APN6. With APN6, you can make your IPv6 network aware of the applications it carries, as well as the application's requirements. Therefore, the network can provide SLA guarantee for those applications it carries. Thank you.